CKD is your precision laser glass processing partner in Malaysia, meeting strict display and optics specifications with zero-tolerance precision. Traditional mechanical methods cause micro-cracks, chipping, and high consumable costs. Our cold picosecond laser prevents stress and thermal cracking. The CC-G01 platform achieves under 5 micrometer edge chipping. Proprietary filamentation enables unprecedented single-pass cutting up to 19 millimeters. Our Picosecond series offers G01 to G03 tailored platforms. Perfect geometric precision across smartphone covers, automotive displays, and sapphire. Picosecond laser completely eliminates thermal damage and secondary grinding. We push physical limits with deep R&D and premium optics. Powered by top-tier supply chains with over 800 active systems. Fully ISO 9001 and CE certified for reliable compliance. Customized system configurations optimized for your exact manufacturing needs. Localized material testing and rapid engineering support across Malaysia. Redefine your yield with CKD's uncompromising picosecond laser precision. Next, explore CKD's precision laser glue removal and deburring, boosting yield and automating Malaysia's semiconductor back-end packaging. Resin residue causes mechanical damage, inconsistent removal, and blind spots. Non-contact laser ensures zero mechanical stress and fast recipe changeover. The CKD-LS70 workhorse delivers 5 micrometer accuracy and efficient ablation, specially optimized boundary detection for the world's smallest micro packages, scale throughput easily to over 13,000 units per hour, high output multi-head architectures built for continuous mass production, consistent accuracy and minimal heat-affected zones across all models, one platform for SMD resistors, power transistors, and IGBTs. Closed-loop vision control ensures fully traceable, defect-free processing, built on reliable, world-class electrical and optical components. Vertically integrated manufacturing backed by ISO and CE audits. Rapid local support deployed directly to key Malaysian semiconductor hubs.